As we are going through a pandemic right now, many things have changed around us. We are, as a social creature, cannot live alone and always need each other's help to live this life. However, the situation demands us to stay at home and be less engaged with people. I live in Ajun, Aceh Besar, and I can observe the social condition happening in my place as well as the condition in Banda Aceh because it is close to the area where I live. In the beginning of the pandemic, I see that the society was concerned. Many public places are closed, such as schools, universities, offices, and even markets. The government has demanded us to stay at home, and the raids and night curfew has been held to prevent people from going out. There are even some villages that lock down the area so that the people cannot go in and out without permission. It was a strict rule at first, but it didn't last long because there were some kind of protests going on. The lockdown makes it difficult for some people to get to work to earn money, especially for non-civil workers that have to work on the field to make money for their living. Due to this protest, the government has erased the rules of the night curfew but still ordered the society to take precautions, for example wearing masks when going out and have distance to each other. Since then, the stores, markets, and coffee shops are starting to open again. However, the government still conducts the raid in the streets and public places to remind people to obey the rules of health protocols, and for those who doesn't, they will get fined. But somehow, I see that many people in my place are still unaware and disobeying this rule as they don't wear masks going out, they still sit in the cafe shops in groups without considering the health protocols. Even in this new normal era, many people are still being rebellious and careless to the rules. This might be because Aceh is known as the green area where we do not have many COVID patients, so that people underestimate this condition. But it would be so much better if people obey the rules to prevent things before it gets worse. Little do they know that the numbers of patients infected are increasing each and every day. It is sad to see that many coffee shops are still opening freely in daytime and nighttime, and crowds are still happening everywhere. There are only a few places such as banks, mall, official offices, and campus that stick to the rules by demanding the visitors to wear masks and checking the temperature before entering the building. Hopefully, with the continuous demand of government, people can be more aware to obey the rules so that the number of affected people can be decreased and this pandemic can be over soon.